How to create a group on Instagram. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch or open your Instagram application and then tap this messenger or conversation icon here. Now, what you want to do is to simply click this pencil icon at the top right corner so that you can start a conversation. So if you're going to tap this one, you can now select the people that you want to include on your group chat. So you just have to tap the circle icon here. Now, if you can't find a person on the list, you can just simply go to the two and then type the name of the person and then click add. Now tap create group chat to start a conversation with these people. So this is what it looks like. Now you can add more people if you wanted to. And you can now start calling them by tapping this phone icon or start a video call by tapping this video icon. And actually, you can now start sending a message to this group chat. You can add picture, you can add file from your gallery, and then tap send. And that's how easy it is to create a group on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.